Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and test the Spigen Liquid Air case. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a Spigen Liquid Air case. And this one is designed for use with a Google Pixel 6 Android smartphone. And just taking a look at the details that's on the box packaging. And at the back of the box, there is some product information. And now let's go ahead and open it up by pulling out the tab at the top of the box packaging and sliding the contents out, and of course checking through to make sure nothing else is left in the box packaging. We can close that back up and set that to the side, setting it on the right hand side of the table and giving you a look at the contents which we've just removed from the Spigen Liquid Air box packaging. Now let's go ahead and remove the contents from this clear plastic bag, and of course reusing that bag thoughtfully and giving you a look as it is. Let's tip out the card that's in the case and set them on the tabletop to give you another full and clear view of the contents from the Spigen Liquid Air box packaging. Okay, and let's take a look at the card that's come with the case. So there's some product features for another product, so just setting that to the side and moving on to the case itself, the Spigen Liquid Air case for the Google Pixel 6. So it is made from TPU or thermoplastic polyurethane, and it does have a matte black finish, as you can see, with its dull surface but very glossy grooves or channels on the inside back of the case. So giving you that full clear look, and let's do a 360 rotation of the case so you have a complete look at it. So all the details of the case, and of course resting the case in my palm to give you some sense of the size. So this one, as I mentioned, is designed to work with the Google Pixel 6 with its 6.4-inch screen. Now taking a close-up look at the details of the case. So you can see that it does have a geometric pattern right throughout the back of the case, which they call a truss pattern. So right there, giving you those close-up details, and of course the cutouts as well. We can see that there is beveling on the cutouts with that glossy finish. And just moving down towards the bottom of the case, you can see that very consistent and uniform truss pattern. And of course, the bottom of the case, we can see the cutouts for the USB-C port and speakers or microphone. And towards the sides of the case, you can see on the left hand side the molded Spigen branding, and we can see diagonal channels across the length of its side, and at the top there is another hole right there, and on the right hand side we can see there are the buttons or covers over the button positions. And just to give you some idea, pressing down, and of course giving you some idea of the flexibility, pliability of the material, and of course another cutout towards the bottom right. And taking a look at the inside of the case, we can see further fine molding with some details. And of course, the channels providing some air cushioning from impact. And we can see at the top left the air cushion technology molding right there, or text, and giving you a more thorough and closer in look at the details on the inner side of the case. So you can see the curved and very smooth and consistent design of the Spigen liquid air case. And to give you another idea or some perspective, a flexibility bend and twist test with my hands. And of course, just giving you a sense of the TPU which the phone case is made from. So you can see, very flexible and mostly slim in design. And now let's go ahead and test the fitment with a Google Pixel 6 smartphone. So I've just unboxed this very recently in the most recent unboxing video on the channel. So giving you a look at the Google Pixel 6 as it is in the stormy black color. So once again, showing you the sides as well of the phone, left hand side, and of course, being so slim, let's get the camcorder to focus in on it. So left hand side of the phone, bottom, right hand side, as you can see where the buttons are. If we can get the camcorder to focus in on it. And of course the top and rear of the phone. So all the details right there for the Google Pixel 6. Now let's fit the phone into the case, but of course sliding the top side in. And there we go. Just making sure everything is fitted evenly and securely in its Spigen liquid air case. And looking at the fitment as well at the rear. And once again, getting the camcorder to focus in on the back. You can see that fitment of the phone in the case. So taking a detailed look at the cutouts now, with the phone fitted in it, you can see how everything lines up pretty neatly. And of course, we can see that the phone case does have a raised edge or lip. Once we can get the focus to come in right there, so protecting the screen from scratches when resting with the top side down. And of course, let's test the buttons out by, of course, turning on the phone. It's right there, no issues there. We can see that the power button does have horizontal grooves in them for grip. And there we go with the phone started. Let's tap on that power button again. And of course we have the volume rocker as well, responding quite nicely, as you can see. With the raising and lowering of the volume slider. And with the power button right there. And giving you that closer in look. And showing you that responsiveness and operation of those button extensions along the side of the case. So they're giving you some idea of the depth or thickness of the cutouts and spacing around the port. And of course, once again, the rear and overall details of this Spigen liquid air case working with the Google Pixel 6. So that's the Spigen liquid air case. Thanks for watching and happy carrying!